Look at there, we got a new gadget to play with. A electric water kettle. A Dezin, I think it's called. 1.5 liter, 800 watts. Of course, we got 1100 watts on the ground and solar. About to add 380 more watts. This would cook on the solar, no problem, and still put some in the batteries. Less use of propane, heating water up. We'll use it for our oatmeal, our instant coffee, our tea, our ramen noodles, other soups, heating water up for dishes maybe, who knows. I think this is going to be a pretty valuable asset. So let's get it out of the box and check it out. You want to? Let's do it. There is its heating element. There's the cord. The cord could be a little longer, I think, but you set the kettle on that. I went ahead and put some water in it. So let's set the kettle on it. There we go. Indicator light saying the power is on, and this is the power button. I went ahead and put water in it. So let's get it plugged in and see what this thing does, shall we? So I'm going to turn it on right here. Oop, and the light came on. Good. 800 watts. Working on the solar. Oh yeah, we started this at 2 o'clock. So let's see how long it takes. And from the sounds of it, it doesn't sound like it's going to take very long. So 2 o'clock, we'll see how many minutes it takes. I don't think it's going to take very long. But, you know, hey, what do I know? We'll see. 2 o'clock, let's remember that. Oh, I can hear it. Hear it? Yep. It's making some noise. It's heating up rather quickly. Still curious how long it's going to take us though to heat this water up. It has been 3 minutes and this thing is really making some noise. It's heating up pretty quick. Now, when it gets to a boil, the button right there is supposed to pop up and turn it off. Got my ramen noodles over there waiting for the water. That's my lunch. But hope y'all can hear this. It's pretty loud. Not real loud, but louder than I expected. Just from the water heating up. So far, so good. In 4 minutes. I don't think it's going to take long at all. I kind of can't wait for lunch now. I don't see no steam coming out yet. But shouldn't be long now. I don't think so. The way it sounds. Starting to see some action up here. Yeah. Got some heat going on in there. $800 watts heating water up. Who would have ever thought? Saving on propane this way. Oh yeah, she's really starting to take off in there. So far I like it. Let's see how hot it gets. Water is starting to boil in there. That's pretty cool. Ooh, that's hot. A little steam. Okay. Little power button down there flipped up. Let's open this thing up. Oh yeah, it's boiling. Slide it over a little bit. In the noodles. Just pour some water in there. Then snap the lid on. So let's see if the noodles cooked. Ooh, yeah, they cooked. Oh yeah, they're nice and done. Just add the seasoning to them and they'll be good to go. That is the beef packet that comes with them. Set this over here. Eat that in a little bit, but all in all, slide this thing over here. That is a pretty good buy. I think we gave $22, $25 for it. But not bad. 800 watts, heats up 1.5 liters of water. We'll use it for our instant coffee, our oatmeal, our ramen noodles, any other thing that might require hot water. We use the sun, that's free. Save a little bit on propane too. But I think this thing is going to work just fine. So if you need a cheap, kind of free alternative to heat water up, one of these to be for you then, I think. Now they make some other ones that's got some pretty LED lights inside of them, but we didn't need all that pretty stuff. We just needed a kettle to heat water up. And there it sits. So yeah, it's going to help us save on propane. So y'all have a good one. I'm going to go have my lunch. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. It took roughly 10 minutes to heat water up with 800 watts. Not bad. Not bad at all. So 10 minutes, it's not a big draw on your batteries with 800 watts. So get you one.